Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we'll talk about date functions of SQL Server. So there are many date functions like getDate, DATEPART, DATEADD, DATEDIFF. So we'll see one by one. Okay. So as you know, this getDate is very famous one. This function doesn't take any parameter, and if you just do select on this, you'll simply get the current date along with the time. Okay. Now the second one is DATEPART. In date part, if you just start writing and start this bracket, you'll see all those parameters required to it. So what we need to pass into that interval, and then the date time. Out of that you want to take the part that may be particular part. What are those intervals or parameters you should pass? In that I have the list of that. So we have like year, quarter, month, okay, day of the year. So there are many abbreviations also for that. Like even we can pass year, or the abbreviation could be like 4 times y or 2 times y. So I'll show you that how it is working. So suppose I'm passing year, and here I'm passing the date. The date is like 2022 05 and say 30. If I'll run this, I'll get the part of this date. What part I'm getting? I've just passed here year. So I'm getting the year out of this date. Now, if I want to say YY, that will also give me the same result. Even I'm passing 4 times Y, I'll get the same thing. So I'll just post this in the description of the video also. So I personally prefer to use the meaningful or the big name instead of abbreviations. So it will be easy for me to remember, and it should not confuse others also that what we are doing here. Okay, so this is the date part. Let us move to next thing, that is date add. Select date add, and here we have to pass three parameters. One is interval. So interval, suppose I want to say day, and then increment. How many days I want to add in any particular date. So say 10, and then that particular date I have to pass here. Let us pass the same date 2022 05 30. Once I'll run this, will add like 10 days in this date. So if you see here, it's 9th of June now. Likewise, I can give various different thing here, like even I can say month. So it will add 10 month in this date. See, even I can say week, it will add 10 weeks to this date. When I can say year, it will add those many years. Okay. Now let us move towards date diff. Select date diff. What we can find out of this, as its name says, difference of dates. So what again? What interval you want? I mean, in what unit you want the maybe difference of two dates. So say I want year and then starting date. So say I have to find year out of two dates. Suppose any person's date of birth is 1990 01 01, and out of say today's date, we want to find the difference, that how many years are there. You see it's 32 years. So this date even you can pass a fixed date, I mean kind of hard coded also, 2022. This is 1001. This is today's date. So in that case also you'll find this. So this can be year, this can be month also. It's up to you that what do you want. So these are the date things that they are returning. Now how we can use this in our any table. So let me show you. I'm saying select star from employee table, wherein I have the date of birth of the employees. I want to get the like their years of their age. So how can I do that? Simply I can put here say date diff function, date diff, okay, and then I'll say year I want to get out of it. What is the start date? It would be DOB, and say I want to get the age today. That from today's date, how many years their age is. So I'll say as age. Okay, dateif here, then DOB. Okay, select here. If you see, it is calculating the age or years out of their DOB and the current date. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.